Reiki Practitioner, Ohio. What happens in a Reiki session? Curious about Reiki? Here's what to expect during a session with our Ohio practitioners. Before the session, we'll start with a brief chat about your well-being and any specific concerns during the session. Relaxation. You'll lie down fully clothed on a comfortable table with soft music and dim lighting. Hand positions. The practitioner places their hands on or just above your body in specific positions, holding each for a few minutes. Energy transfer. You may feel warmth, tingling, or deep relaxation as energy flows through you. Meditative state. Many clients enter a peaceful, meditative state. After the session, we'll discuss your experience and any sensations you felt, offering guidance if needed. Benefits. Reiki can reduce stress, alleviate pain, improve sleep, and enhance overall well-being. Book your session. Experience the healing power of Reiki with us. Schedule your session today and start your journey to greater